It's a little bit sneak of little Ocmulgee Lake. Should be aware of gators. I know there's any gator here. You guys here? Gator family? Gator fan? Little Ocmulgee Lake. Nice and quiet. I don't know if it is full or not. So that's it. Alright, so I need a nice spot to sit. I had never seen so much deer here in Ocmulgee National Monument. I wonder if we're gonna have an up peak of ticks this year, just because when I came in I counted at least 5 deer crossing the road. Halfway there, a doe and her baby crossing the road as well, and now I see 3 more. So yeah, in total probably 10 deer so far, all deer, and all of them look young. So it's something we'll probably be looking at in the next few months in terms of how many deer we have. All deer. For context, yesterday I was in Little Ocmulgee National Monument, which is southeast, a little bit southeast of Macon, and we are now in the Ocmulgee National Monument, which is real close to downtown Macon. And surprisingly, I didn't see any snow. So that means that most of the snow that fell in somewhere south of Macon, all the way down to Florida, which that's to me very bizarre, just because Macon is closer to Atlanta. And yeah, we still have it's very cold. I see some ice in this small lake or swamp, but it's not as bad as I saw yesterday in the Little Ocmulgee State Park, which is way down closer to Savannah than to Macon. And so it's quite a couple tenths of miles southeast of Macon here. But yeah, that's interesting. And I also noticed there's more wildlife here compared to down there. So I guess all the animals came up here, and probably when everything warms up a little bit, they move down south, which is again bizarre. But hey, I know nothing about environmental conditions. But yeah, something to ponder, something I noticed. You can notice things, but sometimes you don't know nothing. Anyway, yeah, today is Sunday. There's barely anybody here. It feels cold. It's probably 37 degrees Fahrenheit, which is digits small, like 1 or 2 degrees Celsius. Oh yeah, today is quite cold. Yeah, I have nothing else to say, but just sharing with you what I'm looking at. And yeah, I'm gonna close here with the look of this river. I just wanted to share what I'm seeing, just because I see so many deer. Yesterday I was in Little Ocmulgee State Park. There was not a single bird singing or any animal roaming around. was a lot of ice along the trail and snow, but there was no animal inside. So I don't see any trace of snow here either. It's just regular flowing water. But yeah, this is it, guys. I'm gonna wrap this here. I'll drive back and take care of things before this week comes in again. And I will see you guys in the next episode. Stay tuned, there's a lot of things going on in this channel. Hopefully, God willing, weather willing, and health willing, I will be able to share it with you. Take care, guys. Have a good one.